Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch NBA games on your Hulu TV. So on the Hulu TV, you can simply go on the top search bar and you can write NBA. So when you type in the NBA, you are going to see the NBA basketball on the first search item. You can click on it. When you click on it, you can see all of the games that are upcoming, or if there's a live game going on, you're also going to see it right here. So these are all of the upcoming games of NBA. You can just see them right here and you can play them when they are live. And you can scroll down to see more content that is related to the NBA. So this is how you can see NBA basketball on your Hulu TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.